Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use CarBridge to watch YouTube in your car. CarBridge is a fantastic app that lets you seamlessly transfer various apps from your phone right to your car's dashboard. With CarBridge, you can enjoy YouTube or use almost any app directly on your car's screen. Just a quick reminder, safety always comes first, never watch it while driving. Now, let's dive in. Before we begin, let's go over two important setup steps. First, head to your device settings, go to General, select Background App Refresh, and make sure either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is chosen. This setting enables the app to refresh and work smoothly in the background. Next, return to the Settings menu, select Battery, and ensure Low Power Mode is turned off, as this mode can limit the app's performance. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to move forward with the installation. After finishing the initial checks, open your browser and go to appbinge.com, a trusted source for various modded apps. Search for CarBridge and select it from the results. You'll see a detailed page with information such as download counts and community ratings. Click on Download Now, and the system will begin downloading and installing the app. This should be a quick process, and soon you'll see a confirmation message indicating successful installation. If this message doesn't appear, it could mean extra files need to be downloaded. No worries though. That step is 100% safe and clear. On-screen instructions will guide you. Once this step is completed, the necessary files will download and installation will finalize. I've already installed it myself and it's working flawlessly. And that's it. This is the complete process for setting up CarBridge on iOS devices. Thanks so much for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.